Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 12 Days of Christmas Cards. Today is day 11 and I thought what we would do today is use up some scrapbook paper that I happen to have laying around on my desk. So I had used this paper in a previous project and then I have this scrap. I did go ahead and ink around the edges, and I thought this would look nice right here if we can, make it work, and I think so. I think that looks good. And then I also had this. I was cutting apart a scrapbook pack, and this one was a leftover piece from that, and I thought that might look good right there. So let's go ahead and start adhering this, and then if we think we need to, we can add another embellishment, but we might not need to. I did already ink both of these smaller pieces, but I'm going to go ahead and take a second to ink around this one. And as I'm inking, I'm noticing that the measurement is not perfect here when I folded it. So let's go ahead before we do any more inking and let's clean up that edge. And while I'm at it, let me check this one. This looks pretty good, but let's see. Let's go ahead and, just in case, let's clean all of the edges up. There we go. Now, since I'm making this card out of some scrapbook paper, if I don't have a spare envelope laying around, I'll have to go ahead and make one. But I've got some old book pages. They are from a Christmas book, and I can easily use those pages to make some envelopes. All right, my friends, here's the card, and it's so simple to put this together. And I love that I used up some scraps. And I was looking at it, and there are things that we could do, but I don't know that I want to. But trim could be added here. Something could go, around it. But I really, really like the clean look. So I think what we'll do is instead of adding stuff and sort of distracting ourselves from the really pretty simplicity of what's going on here, maybe we just simply add some stickles. And we have some cute red berries here, and I wonder if I go over the top with this white pearlescent. Let's see what that does. I'll try to put a small dab on the edge because I don't want to take away from the red color, and sometimes when you use stickles over certain colors, it alters them just a little bit. So I'm just going to go on the very, very edge of the berries, and that way we're guaranteed that it's not going to take away from all of the red. And actually, that looks perfect. I think I'll do a little bit on the bow, maybe just right around the edges. Try to do as thin of a line as I possibly can. We just want to add a little touch of something, but nothing too overwhelming. I think that's going to be perfect. There, I'm not going to do anything else. I'm going to hold this up close for you so that you can see it. I'm going to turn it like this so you can hopefully see a little bit of the shimmer. I honestly can't tell. There we go. I think you can see that now. So cute, right? I really, really love the way that it turned out. And I hope you do too, my friends. Well, tomorrow's going to be the last day. Haven't decided if I'm going to do a bonus day or not with some other Christmas card making ideas. That depends on time. But I appreciate you spending time with me today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.